everyone, and welcome to my kitchen science show. Today we are going to be doing an experiment that explores surface tension. So for this experiment, you will need a small dish, some milk, some food coloring, and some dish soap. Okay? And just like with every experiment, we want to make sure we take the necessary precautions. So you may want to have an adult help you open the milk and pour it. And you want to make sure you are wearing clothes that you can be careful about for not staining with the food coloring. So you want to pour some milk into the dish so it covers the bottom. Next, you want to add your food coloring. You can add a few drops of each color close to the center. Now you want to take your dish soap and put a little bit on the tip of your finger. Okay? Once the dish soap is on the tip of your finger, you are going to put your finger into the food coloring and see what happens. But before we do that, I want us to make some predictions. What do we think is going to happen? Do we think maybe the colors will disappear? Do we maybe think that the colors will expand? Or do we think nothing will happen? So let's touch it and find out.
Let's watch that again in slow motion. Remember, I want you to think about what is happening here.
Okay, so what just happened there? We saw the soap disturb the surface tension of the milk. The soap actually bonds with the fat in the milk, and that bond is so strong that it pushes all the food coloring out. So I want you to maybe think to yourself, what would happen if I used 5% cream instead of milk because it has a higher fat content? What about skim milk? Would skim milk still work? What about 35% whipping cream? Would that work better? You can conduct a hypothesis about what milks will work best. I would love to know if you try this at home. Thank you for watching my Science Kitchen Show.